Understanding compound inequalities with and or. Imagine you're trying to find the perfect range of numbers that meet certain conditions. Sometimes you want numbers that satisfy two rules at once, and other times, just one of the rules. That's where compound inequalities come into play. They combine to simple inequalities using the words and, or to describe these situations clearly. Let's start with the basics. A simple inequality compares two expressions, like x3 or y plus like 7. When you put two inequalities together with and, it means the solution must satisfy both conditions at the same time. For example, if you see x1 and x5, it means the number you choose has to be greater than 1 and less than 5. The solution is the set of numbers between 1 and 5, but not including 1 and 5 if the inequalities are strict. Graphically, you'd see this as the overlapping part of two regions on a number line. Now, if the inequalities are connected with or, it means satisfying either one or the other works. For example, x2 or x6 includes all numbers less than 2 and all numbers greater than 6. The solution covers two separate regions on the number line, one on each side of the middle. Sometimes, these two regions can cover the entire number line if the inequalities are broad enough, like x0 or x0, which actually covers all real numbers except 0. To solve these, you handle each inequality separately using basic algebra. For and inequalities, find where the solutions overlap. For or inequalities, combine all the solutions from both parts. Remember, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, flip the inequality sign to keep the statement true. Graphing makes understanding easier. For and, shade the part where the two solutions overlap. For or, shade both regions that satisfy either inequality. This visual helps see exactly which numbers work. These concepts are useful in real life. For example, a store might sell items priced between $20 and $50, which is an and inequality. Or a machine might operate safely if the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius or above 100 degrees Celsius, which is an or inequality. Knowing how to work with compound inequalities helps you understand and solve problems involving ranges and conditions more easily.